Can I help you?
Yeah.
Alright, the 137, you have until September the 19th to pay that.
Right?
What did you want to do with that?
Want to pay it now?
Just pay it now? Okay. Alright, how will you be paying that today?
Cash?
Okay.
Is it a red light pen? ¿Es de los luces?
No,
¿No son de los luces?
no,
Ok, ¿era de una oficina de la policía?
sí,
Esta ventana aquí te ayuda. Siéntate allá y este aquí.
pero mismo.
Alright, so going to be 137.
Okay.
What is that?
It's the 137.
Okay, I am not going to take it like that.
Why not? It's legal tender.
I understand that, but the way that you have it folded, I am not going to sit here and unfold all of that.
It's legitimate currency.
I understand it's legitimate currency, but again, I am not going to sit here and unfold all of that.
How different is this than if I had just random crumpled bills in my pocket? I'm offering to pay you the ticket right now. 137 in cash. I would have paid by card, but you charge a 5% fee for that.
Okay, well, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to undo each of those dollar bills separately, and then I'll go ahead and count them. But I am not going to sit here and undo each and every single one of those bills.
You can count them. It's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Come on down here. That's next time.
You just want to put it in.
I forgot one.
Oh, okay.
Look at this. He's trying to pay me $137.
I'm sorry.
That's how he's bringing it in. Telling him that I'm not going to sit here and undo all of this.
I'm not going to accept that. Why would you do that?
Times are tough.
I understand,
Most
but
people-
Why would you
take the time to fold all of these up?
Well, most people have piggy banks that are shaped like pigs and have the money inside them.
Well, if you want to take just a second, take those, move aside, fold those back out there, we'll take it. Can't take
Okay.
it like that, though. We have no way of storing it properly.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want to step aside, you can use that counter over there if you want to.
Okay.
What's written down
Okay.
here, it says
Okay.
Now, I'm willing to count the $137, but I am not going to sit here and undo each and every single one of these.
But look at the pretty little piggies. I
I hear
mean,
you, man. You're good to go.
They're-
I agree with
they're
you.
piggies.
That's pretty cool. That took a lot of time. But if you like I say, utilize that counter, you're good to go. Just unfold them all and we'll take them.
okay.
Little piggies in a donut box. I got it. Oh, well.
All right, let me ask you. How long did it take for you to do that?
I lost track after about 4 hours.
After 4 hours? How long did it take you to make each one of them?
I got pretty good at it. They were about 2 minutes each.
Have a great day. Thank you.
Good enough. I will give you props. You've made me laugh for the day. The way you coming in like that. So I will give you mad props on you taking your time to do each and every single one.
That one there in the middle, right there, he's Admiral Ackbacon. He's the sole survivor of the Great Dollar Pig Massacre of 2012.
Oh, man. I'm sorry. I have to do this.
I have paid for a water main to be put in for a future sprinkler system.
137.
I have to pay for it. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. 137. I know they check.
You have made my day, sir. I will give you that.
Actually, I don't. The person that would be able to help you
Far
would
in?
be Patty at that first meeting. Thank you, sir.
Thank
You had to wait.
No problem.
Okay, now. Commercial,
Let's see
commercial,
now.
what? I don't know how to figure this out.
All right, here's your receipt on that.
I'm sorry, how you
Everything's been taken care of. Just a word of advice. Put the creativity to something more useful.